Welcome back to Clarkstar Culinary. Today we're making mini meatloaves. This is 2 pounds of ground beef. To that I'm going to add 1 egg, 1/4 of a large onion diced, half of a bell pepper diced, half of a serrano pepper minced, one shallot diced, one-fourth cup of parsley finely chopped, six leaves of sage finely chopped, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Adjust all seasonings to suit your taste. Mix well. Now it's time to shape the mini meatloaves. Get just enough meat to cup in the palm of both hands. Compress, roll, shape, and then lay the mini meatloaves on your baking pan. And the beauty of mini meatloaves is if someone wants ketchup on theirs, they can have it. Place the mini meatloaves in an oven preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour and 10 minutes. Afterwards, enjoy your mini meatloaves. And if you're into meal prepping, these would make a wonderful addition to your meal planning. Thank you for watching Clarkstar Culinary. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye!